Now, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Right? Now, you are the captain of your school's basketball team. Your coach has asked you to help him to decide which player will be better able to help the team to win an important match against the team that is the defending champion. So do the table below and use it to help to make your decision. Again, this is a situation where you can choose either. But it all depends on your justification, because as you notice, their total score, the total points that they have scored in the past 5 matches is the same. So how do you decide? Now, so let's look at certain patterns. Let's pick out certain patterns. Let's start with Natasha. Natasha has been scoring. She has not scored incredibly high, but her average is, it's close to her average. So she doesn't have wild numbers. She has 1 in the teen and the rest are in the 20s, right? So most of her scores, she would be expected to score, around the same amount. So if we go 123 divided by 5, then she's expected to score about 24.6 points, and she's consistent because in the first match she scored 28 and 26 and 19 and 21 and 29. It's in a really narrow range. So using Natasha would be a good idea. However, let's look at Andreen. Andreen is not a consistent scorer. She's not a consistent scorer. She has 43, then 31, then 42. She would have the same average. However, she's a non-consistent scorer. So in match 1, she scored high, 44. In match 2, she did not score. In match 3, she scored reasonably high, 31. In match 4, she only scored 6, and in match 5, she scored 42. So, choosing Andreen, if she has a bad day, then you're likely to get very little out of her. However, if she has a good day, then she could score a lot and actually help the team to win the game. However, there's another thing that I noticed with Andreen. Andreen goes from scoring high to scoring low to scoring high to scoring low to scoring high. So, seeing that she has scored high in her last match, I would expect her to score low in this match. Alright? So that's a pattern that I have noticed. So if I was making the decision, I would more likely go with Natasha. But as I say, it's about being able to explain why you are choosing one answer or the other. Question. So of course the question was, which player would better improve the team's chances of winning, and explain why, which we have just done.